A female coyote patrolling the Pacific coast of Mexico. Living on the edge of a desert means often relying on the ocean for food. This female would make a meal of a seabird if only she could catch one. She can't afford to keep failing. Driven by hunger, she moves on. Coyotes living here are forced to explore tangled mangroves and deep creeks. After a long day under the desert sun, persistence pays off. A dead body cast up by the waves, rotting in the sun. Enough to feed her for months. But other hungry beachcombers have found it too. They quarrel over the best bits. But a 40-ton whale is more than enough food to go round. The daily tides provide so much food that the Baja's Pacific coastline supports up to 14 times the number of coyotes than occur inland.